Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well at your place. Once again, I am welcoming you in Jagran Public School's online session. Myself Meenakshi Kapuria, and today I am going to discuss with you about a GK topics. As general knowledge is concerned, we must be aware with our surroundings, right? What things we have around us, what's going on around us. In previous video of GK, you must be learnt about places near us like school, market, bank, park, etc. Right? Again, I came with another topic. First, we'll do one small activity, then we recite a poem along. After this, definitely you will came to know about today's topic. So, are you ready? Ready. Okay. So, in this picture, people are doing different work. Who among the following do you meet every day? Right? From these people, you must be seen some people in your daily life. You meet them daily. So what you are seeing here? Here is a doctor, a shopkeeper, a plumber, a cobbler, a sweeper and a teacher. So with whom do you meet daily? Definitely you meet your teacher daily. Yes, he or she teaches you daily. Then sweeper. Sweeper. What is exactly sweeper? Sweeper is a person who keeps clean around you, who cleans your street, right? Okay. So, this is a poem. You can sing along with me. Doctor, doctor, make me well. From the chair I just fell. Tailor, tailor, look at my torn dress. Stitch it again, make me a princess. Teacher, teacher, teach me to spell. You ask me and I will tell. All of you help me now and then. Oh, so I hope you all have must knowing that what we are going to discuss today. Yes, we are going to discuss the people around us. See, we cannot do everything by ourselves, right? Because we are not a perfect person. Many people help us in our daily life, right? They help us at home, at school, and other places in the neighborhood, right? They make our life comfortable. They make our life comfortable. That's why we call them our helpers. That's why we call them our helpers. Why we call them helpers? Because they help us to survive, for surviving our life, right? They make us our life comfortable. They help me in different way. So let's discuss doctor. Yes, when you fall sick, you need to go to the doctor. Doctor examines you and gives medicine. He also takes care of the injured people. Agreed? Yes. Okay. Grocer. Who is grocer? Grocer means a person who sells food and small household goods. He sells things of our daily use, like food items, things you need your personal hygiene. Right? You must be seen a shop, right? Sweeper, as we discussed earlier, sweeper keeps our neighborhood clean. The most important work they do for other, whatever they do for others. They serve their life for the community. We should respect of these people. They serve our community with full of dedication, right? Farmer. Who is farmer? Yes, you know, farmer grows crop for us. See, we need food to live, right? We need food to live. So, farmer grows crop. Crop means like wheat, maize, right? Rice. So, these all food grains grows by a farmer, tailor. And secondly, we need clothes to cover our body. And who make this? A tailor stitches clothes for us. Policeman, a woman, yes, they save us, They work for our safety from thieves and bad people. He catches thieves and guards our area, right? And plumber. You must be seen sometime in your bathrooms. The tap started leaking and some pipes get blocked. So at that time we need a person who manage all the thing, right? So we call plumber. We call a plumber to manage all the things. Teacher. Teacher to you all know. Teacher is a person who teaches you, helps you to learn new things, right? They help you to become a good citizen. So, teacher teaches you. Then fireman. Who is fireman? Firemen who puts fire are called firemen, right? They saves human life. They save a human life. Okay, so this all about for this session. I know you must be enjoying to see this, and now you understood what we have discussed in this video, right? Okay, so I will come again with another topic. Till then, bye bye, take care.